Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be playing some more Battle Cats. Why am I in here? I'm going to do... It has finally came, guys, and I did not forget. Chapter 3, Into the Future, Moon. I don't know what's in it. Yeah. And also I got Seafarer. I got Castaway's true form. My first super rare true form. I have to put bahaumat in. I don't know. I'll take out you because I don't need you. Here's the first bahaumat. Oh yeah. Today's video, I'm just gonna try to at least beat this level. I don't know what I'm probably not, but yeah, I might do it. I don't know if you can hear the music right now, but it's good. Hey, you want to eat some Seafarer? Here's some Seafarer. He eats seafood. Go, touch, yeah. I thought he was 100% freeze. He is not. But he can sometimes like perma-freeze for like, I don't know, 10 seconds. Why isn't he even freezing? Okay, now he's freezing. Is he tough against aliens? No, he just freezes. Oh wait, okay, I'm just gonna pause real quick. My sister wants some. Okay guys, that was just my sister. Like sometimes, wait, if I say sister, that means my sister. She's trying to make tattoos, and sometimes she needs my help, so I'm gonna help her with that. And she knocks on my door. Yeah, so I'm sorry. Okay, let me start. I don't know if you hear his music or not, but hopefully you do because it's the groove. Yeah, of course I'm using a glitch cat. I mean, how else am I supposed to beat this level? I'm not just gonna... Floating content was easy for me. I don't even know how that was easy. I think I'm probably gonna need a baby boom to beat this level. Yeah, I need to. No way I'm beating this level without a baby boom. He has 10 knockbacks, that's like 10 bahaumat hits. He has like 1,222,222 health. I don't know, it's 1 million something. Why didn't bahaumat knock back home? I thought he's supposed to knock back home every single time. Huh? Good. I'm gonna watch the tutorial again. I'm just gonna see if I did anything wrong. Because I think I did. Yeah, I'm dead. This is the last stage of Into the Future if you don't count the zombie outbreaks. I've beat the Empire of Cats completely. I expect it to take very long for me to be into it. Yeah, blow one shot to my base. That's how powerful he is. And only 90% HP. I took down 10% of his health from all of that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need to take him out, take you out. I'm gonna put Cyborg in. And one more meat sugar, because I'm probably gonna put oh yeah, I got Mohawk and the flying cat. I'm gonna put Mohawk or Wall. You're supposed to... I don't want to waste them. Yeah. I'm just gonna go in this time without a glitch cat and just experiment with something, because I wanna see something without a glitch cat. I wanna see something. So yeah, you're supposed to kill bahaumat. You're supposed to kill the alien celeboodles with like your meat shoots, but not your like Ubers or stuff. And then when bahaumat spawns, you're supposed to lure them to the base so the enemies don't in the way immediately. And then you're gonna slowly push them back. Here you want to be slow and just kinda makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. That's what I remember from the tutorial. It might be wrong. I know the lure is gone. No, I know the lure is collect, and I know but I don't know if the because it'll take longer. It's probably that, but I don't know if that's why. I don't know. I don't actually know why. That's just what I think, because that's what it mostly is. Okay. So now I'm just gonna see here. You see him? He's just knocking on the door, trying to saying hi to his new neighbor. I don't need to send out anything else, because he's just gonna, he has to destroy everything and just go back here. That's what he's gonna do, because that's what he's supposed to do right now. Yeah, all my seafarers are dead. Not surprised. Now he's over here. Now I'm start sending out everything. Not everything, like most stuff. Yeah, Holy Valkyrie didn't even get an attack in. That's how bad she is in health. In the health department. Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm gonna need the superior treasures. I'm not winning this. I'm gonna need superior treasures, then after that I'm gonna still need a glitch cat, because I am Gamatoto's done. Yay, let's go. A lair? No, a special, a lair, and an Uber. Go back in Cat's Eye Cavern. Oh, your cats. I got Gato and Miko to level 40. Cyborg now at level... I wish it was at level 42. Level 41. Castaway at level 35. My Uber's level 34. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm surprised. I needed a baby boom for Canada, but I didn't need a baby boom for floating continent. Canada's supposed to be easier than floating, like 15 energy harder. Yeah, I don't have a single treasure in this chart. I think I have one treasure. I have Ancient Tablet. I don't think Ancient Tablet's gonna help. I have Cosmic Energy. I do. I don't even know. I don't even have anything in these. I don't care about no angels. There ain't no angels in this chapter. Oh, now. Where's an alpaca? Why did they put in a palky, but no calamari, no Elderscough? I'm glad they didn't do that. What I hate the most, of course, is corrupted bahaumat, because he's a bahaumat and he's corrupted. I don't care about no battery. He's floating? Do I have any long range floating? Not long range floating, like floating that can like go far. Necromancer, you're gonna get too close and die before. You suck. Can you even get close enough? Can you even get close? I already have you and already. Why do you exist? And I already have you in. I need a crack on, but I'm dead. Oh no. Peon, max up small. That looks stupid. Okay, I'm dead. How do I beat a level when I can't beat a level? There's gonna be a treasure festival at 7. Maybe that could work. Oh, there's a zombie outbreak. How about I just do this? How long has it been? 11 minutes. Okay. I'm just gonna do the zombie outbreak. Then, like, in a couple of days, I'll give you, like, an update, maybe. Maybe I'll make some more shorts. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna make more shorts. He's floating, but not, like, yeah, corrupted bahaumat is floating, but I wouldn't recommend actually using anti-floating on him unless you have, like, a Uber that's anti-floating. And I do not. So I'm not even gonna try to put an anti-floating in my loadout. Just know it's gonna die after, like, 8 seconds or something. I like the zombie. I like the Zerzio is freezing everything when this guy's supposed to be freezing everything. Oh no. Uber! Here comes my Uber to save the day! You guys are dead, you know that. I'm sure. Oh, how is he all the way back here? Where's my BCS Tiger Claw when I need him? He's all the way right behind you. Okay. Okay, he's out of the box to hit the base. Good. Why are there so much alien seals? Give me more meat shield! What are you attacking at? I wish you could only hit zombies. Every type of seal. Okay, sister.
Hello.
My sister wants to be in the video. Cool.
Hello.
Don't go on YouTube. You can't. At least not right now. I don't want to get demonetized or anything.
Okay.
Bum. Okay.
No!
Shh. I am destroying the banana.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
The one.
Okay, there.
I'm making a wheel talk 2 out the paper.
Shh. Okay, Aveline. I already told them that. Got 5 more minutes. Like, I don't even know what to do. It's not like there's a treasure.
Actually, start the timer.
Shh. There's going to be a treasure festival at like...
No, there's not.
At 7. Okay, Gavin, can you stop interrupting me? When I'm not talking, you can talk.
Goodbye.
Okay, she's leaving. Yeah, I'm the little cats. Well, I'm just gonna update you on since the last video. So, in Stars of Legend, I am on Silk Road. I have beaten the XP stage and the weekend stage. Very easy.
Hello.
You're still here. I do not know what is in glowing blue and saint. And I do not want to know.
No.
I do not know, and I don't. Aveline, what should I do in Battle Cats?
Nothing.
I think it's 48.
Just look at the characters.
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna look at the characters. Okay, finally you're leaving. She didn't even close the door. I want the great abyss. I want no.
I'm still
I
want to stay here.
You want to stay? You can stop. Aveline, if you don't stop, I'm gonna make you leave the room. I'll make you leave the room. Oh, 3 more minutes of this. Ow, Aveline, stop. The video's about to end. I don't even think there's anything you could do. 3 more minutes just doing absolute. You know what? I'm gonna end the video here.
1 more minute.
So, until next time, peace.